Hi, I'm Bob Fox with Sonny's Car Wash College. For almost 15 years now, students have been traveling to our facilities in Florida and Arizona to learn more about car washing. Everything from how to invest in the industry to repairing equipment or how to be a better manager. And while we love having y'all and will continue to have classes in-house, we've also heard your request to have portions of Car Wash College accessible from an online platform. Today, I'm excited to share with you the launch of Car Wash College Online.
Sonny's Car Wash College is going online, and it's only $79.95 per employee for a limited time. This one-time fee grants the employee access to all of the online content. They can take all of the courses or just one. It's all there for them, as long as they're employed by your organization.
We've set up a virtual classroom and will make all the courses accessible to each individual student. If you have an internet connection, you can now access Car Wash College. It's designed with flexibility so you can plan your learning time around your schedule. We made it easy to follow alongside the instructor. Each session has its own manual, which can either be printed or, if 2 monitors are available, shown on the adjacent monitor. Quizzes are given after each completed module, so tracking progress is easy. You'll be able to track which classes have been completed and how your employees did in each session. Here's a clip to show you the engaging online learning experience we've created. First, gather the tools and supplies you'll need, which are safety glasses, half-inch drive ratchet set, standard combo wrenches, small chisel, a sledgehammer, channel locks, standard Allen wrenches, a sawzall, and a punch. We might need some consumables as well with some anti-seize. Welcome back to Car Wash College Online. Now we're going to replace our roller-up fork in the bearings. Before we start though, we're going to go to our motor control cabinet and lock out our conveyor power pack. Remember, safety first. George, what's the first step?
First step is we're going to move the entrance door, Bob.
All right. On the front wheel pull conveyor, the finished floor is 1 inch higher than the conveyor. What we're trying to do in this instance is we're trying to get the car to track to the outside rail. When you're pulling by the front tire, the tendency may be, if the car's out of alignment, for it to climb towards the inside and try to come out of the conveyor.
Once we get the split collar loosened, the hydraulic motor's ready to come up. Now in this case, everybody believes you have to take the split collar off to remove the hydraulic motor, but that's not true. So just loosening it, we should be able to pry the hydraulic motor off. Ruben's going to help by prying the motor off, and I'm going to catch it. And
that came out nice and easy.
So we're going to go ahead and spray some penetrating oil on here. And we're going to go ahead and start removing these spacers and bolts, and you'll see all the washers as we remove everything.
George, if we're taking the time to come up here and tear all this apart, and we're swapping out the bearings on the rod eye or on the drive arm, should we not possibly replace these spacers at the same time?
Well, Bob, we sell the whole thing as a kit, so a lot of people don't realize some of the kits that we put together at Sonny's for you. So it'll come with all the washers, the bolts, and the spacers, and you install everything in one piece, and everything's brand new.
Our courses provide the tools needed to help your team succeed. Filmed in our state-of-the-art facility and at actual car washes, you can pick and choose the lessons you feel your team would derive the most value from. Then, have them sit in with one of our Car Wash College instructors to learn the necessary skills to run a successful business. Best of all is you do it at your own pace. Focus on what they need to learn and move faster through the topics they already know. Owners and managers can set up a different course track for each individual employee, and they can access classes anytime and anywhere. We're all striving to be the best in our industry. We all know it starts with our employees. Now is your chance to hear from industry experts, teaching real, on-the-job car wash maintenance, management, and repair skills, as well as some new, never-before-seen courses, including an Intro to the Car Wash course, which you'll want every new employee to complete the first week on the job. Get the most out of your team and reduce employee turnover. Set them up for success with Sonny's Car Wash College Online.
For a limited time only, Sonny's Car Wash College Online is only $79.95. This one price grants you full access to our library of classes, so don't wait.
Please visit sonnysdirect.com for more information.